a performance space that I began in Oxford in 1994 when I came here from London. I was looking for somewhere to play, somewhere to hang out and meet players and musicians and poets and, you know, under the carpet artistes, and there was nothing. There was nowhere to go, nowhere to be found. So I started one.
Solomon in all his glory told each wife a different story, that we should be drunk and hoary when we're met together. Eating, drinking are so charming, dancing and piping, there's no harm in all of these things we take delight in when we're met together.
And what's the whole concept behind it? So I know it's like an open mic night but without a mic.
It's resolutely a listening space. And when you have a PA and a microphone and all the rest of it, even though it amplifies and makes louder the performances, actually what happens as a result of that is that people listen less. And when you take all that away and the performer is there bare, it invites the audience to come a little closer. It draws people in, and that intimacy, that spark between the audience and the performer is really where the magic is. That's where it lives.
From the ground from an endless source, it's what we call a finite resource. If you also consider that common law contains sulfur, when they're mixed with water and oxygen, they react with each other, which creates sulfuric acid up in the sky, which rains down on the ribs of trees and fishes.
And you get quite a variety of acts. I was wondering like how this has come about. Is that something that's grown over time?
You know what, it's always been like that. There's always been whoever turns up on the night. And we're incredibly lucky. This is a small Midlands town, you know, of 100,000 souls. And every week we get the most incredible array of talent. I think it's because everyone's got something and doesn't really have an outlet necessarily. But everyone's bubbling away at home or in their secret spaces, you know, and they bring that, an element of that secret space here. And I think that's what is very impelling.
Night with a start from a sound so slight, gentle clicking, a ticking, filled with fright, leapt in darkness, fumbling for light, gentle clicking, a ticking, switch flicked light, adjust stinging eyes, pulsating heart intensified, and coincide with that gentle clicking.
The Cat Music Club takes place every Thursday at East Oxford Community Centre on the Cowley Road, corner of Cowley Road and Princes Street. It's a performance space. Anyone can come and play there. All you've got to do is turn up on the night by around 7:15 to get on the list. It's very busy. It's always busy, both to perform and to come and listen. So early arrival is recommended.